stop scrolling for just 30 seconds. This might change the way you see your life. Seriously. What if learning English wasn't just about homework? What if it could unlock better money, better confidence, and a better future? Not someday when you're retired. Starting today. Right now, millions of people are stuck. Not because they lack talent, but because they lack direction. They're ghosting their own potential. And one small shift in mindset can separate the average life from an extraordinary one. In this short story, you'll discover a powerful truth that most schools never teach. A mindset that helped ordinary people build success, confidence, and actual freedom. If you're serious about English listening practice, self-improvement, and leveling up your life, stay with me till the end. Because the final lesson might be the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's begin. Whether you are here to improve your English grammar or looking for English for beginners, this session is tailored for you. We're going to cut through the noise and focus on English listening comprehension through a powerful motivational story called The Winning Edge. So, put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Sit back, relax, and get ready for some meaningful English practice. Here is the truth. If you want to learn English online effectively, you must treat it like a lifestyle, not a chore. Building your English listening skills is the first step toward English fluency. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a new reality. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that transforms your future. I'm here to share advice that serves as excellent ESL listening material, covering essential English tips and English vocabulary that can ignite a fire in your soul. This is English for life. Let me ask you a question, and be honest with yourself. Are you truly happy with your current lifestyle right now? If you died tomorrow, would you be proud of what you've achieved? If your answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. Because, let me tell you, to change your life with English and determination isn't an accident. It's not going to improve by luck or winning the lottery. The success you want will only come when you decide to change. You need to stop making excuses. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. Let me tell you something. Excuses are barriers to your growth. They are the walls you build around your own prison. Do you know why most people fail? It's not because they're unlucky. It's because they don't take massive action. They sit around complaining instead of doing their English conversation practice or working on their goals. Do you think successful people had it easy? Let me give you an example. Oprah Winfrey was born into poverty in Mississippi and faced unimaginable adversity. She was told she wouldn't make it. She was told she wasn't TV material. But she didn't listen to the haters. She utilized a growth mindset, the same mindset you need for English speaking practice, and she became one of the most influential people in New York and beyond. Now, I want you to visualize your dream life. This is a great way to improve your English listening and visualization skills. Close your eyes for a moment. Seriously, do it. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning in a beautiful home, maybe a penthouse in Manhattan, overlooking the skyline, or a quiet mansion in Beverly Hills. You look outside, and there's a luxury car parked in your driveway. But more importantly, your parents are smiling. They are smiling because they know you have achieved security. You've given them the life they deserve. Does this feel impossible? It's not. But it requires commitment. Your daily habits shape your future. If you spend hours every day doom scrolling and wasting time instead of doing your ESL practice, you are throwing your future away. Time management is key. Successful people use their time to read books in English, level up their skills while everyone else is wasting time. Think about your parents. Your mother sacrificed her sleep and her dreams to give you life. Your father worked day and night to give you an education. And now, it's your turn. Don't you want to give them the financial abundance they've dreamed of? Imagine handing your mother the keys to a dream house in Palm Springs. This isn't just about money, it's about pride. It's about saying thank you. Success requires sacrifice. Just like mastering a language requires easy English practice every single day. There's a story about a young man named Tyler from California. He was hungry for greatness. He went to a wealthy executive named Mr. Sterling and asked, "How can I achieve success?" Mr. Sterling didn't give him a book. He took him to Malibu Beach, walked him into the freezing ocean, and held his head under the water. Tyler panicked. He fought. And when Tyler finally came up gasping for air, lungs burning, Mr. Sterling said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe, then you'll be successful." That is the level of hunger you need. You must surround yourself with positive people. If your friends are lazy, you'll become just like them. Surround yourself with people who push you toward self-improvement. Believe in yourself. Prove the doubters wrong. Let me tell you something about overcoming failure. It's not the end. It's the beginning. Michael Jordan, a legend of North Carolina, was cut from his high school basketball team. He went home and cried. But did he give up? No. He practiced longer and became a legend. Failure is just a lesson. Take time for yourself. In this loud world of social media, find silence. Spend a few minutes every day in reflection. Use this time for positive affirmations. Tell yourself, "I am amazing. I am capable." Reprogram your mind. If you plant confidence and belief, you'll grow a life of possibilities. Success doesn't come all at once. It comes one small step at a time. Want to get fit? Exercise for 10 minutes. Want to improve your language skills? Learn 5 new words a day. These small actions add up. So, here is your final challenge. Make this personal. Don't just listen to these words and move on. Write down what you're going to do differently starting today. You have one life, one shot. Don't waste it. Dream big, work hard, and never settle for anything less than extraordinary. The world is waiting for you to rise, to shine, and to inspire others with your story. The life you want is waiting for you. But you have to take the first step. Start today. Work hard, stay focused, and never give up. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now, go out there and make it happen. You are unstoppable. And, hey, if you want to prove you're a serious action taker right now, smash that like and subscribe button. It's a lot less painful than waking up at 4 a.m., and it might just be the lucky charm your English fluency needs. See you in the next lesson.